So guys, okay. Yes, Gayatri, thank you so much. So guys, good evening. So morning we discussed about affiliate marketing, right? So let us look at the model, right? How we actually work on that, right? So let me take out the screen now. Yep. So what we discussed is affiliate marketing. For that, what all the tools we use, right? So we discussed about what all things is required. We discussed in the morning session, right? So if you see here, we need a website, right, to actually start an affiliate process or anything, right? So I think Arun is not there in the class now. So Arun was asking, right, what all things we need. So it is not mandatory that you have to have a website, right? If you have a commitment and seriousness, you can actually start the process from anywhere. You can even start with a Facebook page, right? So let us look at these things. Now morning we discussed, right? I asked you guys to prepare on these things. What is lead magnet and all, right? Any one of you prepared on that? Say, you can tell me what is lead magnet or anything. Okay, yes, Sriram, please.
Actually, lead marketing, just if you are opening any page,
if I'm, it will ask for a?
Our information, just like email ID, phone number, and our name. Yes. After that, you will go to that page actually.
Okay.
Then you can gather the information. So that after that we can interact with them.
Okay, good, good Sriram. Right, so that is a one method, right? So lead magnet, why we use? So we'll discuss it now, right? This is very important, guys. When we already discussed, right? This we have to take it as a process. That means if you are setting up a business, how you actually work on, that's how we have to work on this, right? So now let us work on this method, how we can actually implement that process. Okay, guys. So any questions? I don't see any of you prepared except Sriram. So if any of you want to comment on that, please put the comment right now before I start. What is email marketing software? Anything you guys wanted to explain, discuss? Okay. Fine. Let us start. Sriram, your voice is not audible.
I've written content actually. Can you please check?
Okay, you written content. Okay, that post session we'll see. We'll go through that review. Fine. So let us look at the process now. Let me open a new one. Okay. Now if you see, right, we discussed about website, we discussed about blog, all these things we talked about, right? Sorry. We discussed a website and blog, all these things. When we are practicing this WordPress, right, in that, if you remember, right, we discussed about a home page, or in the settings, if we change the settings, right, there's an option. What is it called? Home page, right? So that people call it as a landing page. That means when you open any website, what is the page on the starting it comes, right? That people call it as a landing page. Here, what we're doing is we are using the similar method, but we have a page, one separate page. Okay, guys. We also call it as a landing page. Or squeeze page. Squeeze in the I'll just 1 second. One second, a person, I mean, one more member is joining. She wanted a Google Meet link. Hi, Aruna, can you hear me?
Hello, yes sir.
Okay, you can see the screen as well.
Yes sir. Now.
It is
No, you got.
screen is clear, right? There is no issues.
No.
Okay, great. Fine. So when we're talking about this landing page, right? This also called as squeeze page. Okay. You can call it as opt-in page or landing page. So all these are, in our terms, we use the same thing. One is a squeeze page. Opt-in page. Okay guys, all these three are called as the same. So how it works is, same way, like, when a process, right, like when a shopping mall, if you walk in, right, how the process works we discussed, right? They get trained how to receive a customer, how to, actually make them understand about the new products. So if the customer comes with a budget of X amount, these guys will try to upsell certain things, right? That is the process. So we also talked about AIDA process in the morning, right? So the same thing we are talking now. So in this page, what we do is, it is not a home page, it's not about or contact, not like that. It is a landing page where you are actually making customers to get aware or get interested. How we do that? How we do that is by giving them some promotion, right? Now if you say register today, and get 50% discount. Like this we can create, or we say get free consultation. Okay, maybe if you take for a doctor, right, what he can put, he can say get free consultation worth rupees 1000. Right, maybe you are a dental doctor. What you can do, you can give or your client is so and so, right? You can give him a landing page like this where you say get free consultation worth 1000 rupees. If I have to walk into the clinic, I have to pay 1000 rupees, but here you are giving me that free. What happens? People will start walking in, right? If 10 people walks in that, when you do the go through his dentistry and all, you will come to know if there is any issues or any treatment is needed, something like that. Then for that patient, what you will say, come to our clinic or come for the treatment, I'll get the treatment done for you. You have so and so problem, right? So these 10 customers, when the 10 patients walks in that maybe 6 to 8 people, right, 8 patients, he will be able to give treatment and charge for that. But how it is started? It started with the free thing. Okay, so this is what we do in our landing page. Okay, this how it works is, once you walks in, like this is where you say something is free. So customer will come to this page first, right? So you say free. Once he comes to this page, then what you will do, you will ask their user email ID or contact number. These details you collected from them, right? Once you collected, then you will take them to the next page, which what we call as a bridge page. Okay, there you actually give them that free. That free whatever you offered, right? That you will provide it here. That can be a digital product. That's why I asked you guys to prepare what is the lead magnet, right? So it can be many things. It can be a free ebook. Okay, it can be a free theme. I am giving you themes, right? We talked about WordPress themes and all. I can say this is the premium theme. I'm giving it free for today. Okay, like that we can do lot of things. We can say checklist you can give. Maybe okay, Bindu is in customer service, right? She can give a small Excel sheet or PDF. It's a checklist. With her experience, she will prepare a checklist where when a customer calls you for certain service, right, how to actually respond to them, what all things to be checked. Okay, like that she will create one Excel sheet or one nice checklist. This one she will convert it as a PDF and she can give it free. So now what happens? The moment she says free, I might be interested in that checklist. I will put my email ID, I will put my contact number, submit. Then this page comes. In this page, what she will do is, in next 2 minutes, you will get the this checklist in your email, right? In next 2 minutes or 5 minutes, she will mention here. In this page, she will mention, dear Prakash, thanks for taking my free ebook, right? Since you register for my newsletter, I have a special offer for you. Okay, you will receive this free book within 5 minutes. Meanwhile, look at this video. So saying that, she can actually put one more presentation here, where she can say, if I sign up today, right? If I sign up today, I'm gonna get 50% or 70% discount for today only. Next maybe 15 minutes, next 1 hour. Since I have taken this free ebook, this offer is only for you. Like that, she'll put a message here in this video. Okay, if you want to enroll for this, this course about customer service, right? Click on this link. She'll put a link here. That's all. Now what happened? If a person walks into her, opens this page, because it is free, I given my email ID and mobile number. Then I went here, then I already availed the free content what she is providing. Right? Next step is what? I become a customer for her already. Right? Of course, she didn't make revenue here. But what she can do is she can try to upsell here something. Since you've taken my free ebook, I have a special offer for you. I'm giving you this for 70% discount. Okay, it can be a consultancy. Consulting call. Okay, maybe 15 minutes consulting call. She can offer for them to help them to improve their customer service. Right? If you take Gayatri, she's into, health related, right? So she can give a consultation on health related stuff. Right? That will help people to get more customers. So what happens here? They end up taking this product. What if they don't take it? Okay, I am giving free here, right? Bindu is giving free this one to me. Now I went here by seeing that cost wise, right? I thought, okay, the product is good, but right now I don't have a budget. Will it be a loss for Bindu? No, right? Why? Because
No.
yes. Why, Sriram?
We are in contact details.
Exactly. Because now she already made this as a lead for her. Lead is generated already. Okay. For this lead generation, companies spend huge advertising budgets. There are companies, they spend per lead they pay 10 rupees, 50 rupees, even 100 rupees like that. They have to get the lead, that's it. They are not expecting anything else. Okay. So just imagine the importance of this. Now if she can get the contact details of these people, what she can do? Today she is offering free ebook for what? Customer service. Tomorrow if she launches something new product, right? She is already having these leads with her. Maybe today there might be 10 people today. 10 people signed up with her newsletter or this product. After 1 week it will become 100. After 1 month, it might become 1000. Now she has 1000 leads with her already. In the 1000 people, some of the people already bought something from her, or few of the people didn't bought. No worries. If her content, whatever she made this checklist is good, those people will start trusting her already. So she can keep sending them, emails on regular basis, weekly one email, 2 weeks once, something, communicating with them on the customer service part only. Now the person who signed up for a customer service checklist, if you're sending them something related, different one, right, that's not a good thing. If I signed up with you for a, say, digital marketing course, and if you're teaching me, fashion designing, will I be interested? No, right? So we should actually target, when you target the right people, I mean, you have to provide the right content as well. You should not say, or you should not ask, provide other information, or else they will go and unsubscribe from you. So these 1000 people will become maybe 700 people by tomorrow if you provided different content. So now what she will do, on the customer service alone, if she is preparing some new content, right, she will start sending this to people, right? Then what happens, these 1000 people already knowing her, maybe in the 1000 people, maybe say 100 people are not checking her email, another 100 people, the mail is going to spam folder. No worries, another 800 people it is reaching, right? And she is engaging with them on regular basis. Every week she is sending something good information. Now after 3 months or after 1 month, she launches a new course or new ebook. She'll again one more checklist, or complete customer service, the process. She prepared like 50-page document, okay, where it shows how the customer service actually, what is the process, how it should be taking care, right? What all the SOPs? SOPs means you guys might be knowing, right? Standard operating procedures. What is SOPs? All this, people will check. So what she can do, right now she given a 10-page document which is free. Now what she can do, she is having already 1000 people subscribed from her. When she creates a 50-page document next time, she can say this is worth of maybe 1000 rupees. This book, this PDF book will cost you, or it has a worth of 5000 rupees worth of knowledge in that. For today, I am giving for maybe 1000 rupees. Okay, this book is 1000 rupees. Since you are my subscribers from last couple of months, I am giving you special offer only for you guys. Okay, click on this link or use a coupon code called maybe customer service 2021 is a coupon code, and get straight away 70% discount. Maybe for 300 rupees or maybe 99 rupees she can offer. Maybe 91% discount I am giving. Okay, so you can get it for 99 rupees, just 99 rupees for today, right? Guys, you understanding the process here? Not getting confused, right? Bindu, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gayatri? Okay, fine. So this is how the this funnel process works, right?
Yeah, Prakash.
Yes, Sriram.
Actually, how they will reach out website actually? Actually, first of all, actually, they have to reach out to website. Then only they will go through this. Is it?
Exactly. Yeah, that's the right question, Sriram. So the customer will reach you, right, using multiple ways. One might be a social channel. I mean, social media, Facebook, Twitter, these things. Other thing is, we promote actually. Once we have a budgets, right, we start promoting as well, like using Facebook ads, Google ads, right? People who is searching for customer service related information. Now there are a lot of people who is searching for information, right? So Facebook and Google will help you finding out the right people who is actually looking for customer service product. Customer service, or how to support a customer, how to actually manage angry customer. Like this, there is a lot of keywords, right? Depending on that, you already written a content. When they click on that, your page loads. Same like content writing, right? When you why I'm asking you guys to target for more than 500 words or something like that. So Google will start promoting that, right? Similarly, these also same way. Okay, I'll show you one example. See, I'm searching for this, right? What happens? Whoever is already written that information, that is actually shown, right? That's all. So if it is you written this page, so your page is loaded. So Google will find you out if it is relevant for people searching for what topic it is. Sriram, does this answer your question?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. So coming back to the point. So how this landing page works, or this opt-in page, right? How we have to design that? Okay. Even using this opt-in page or squeeze page or landing page, even you can do a sales. I mean, you need not to have an e-commerce website these days. If you actually plan well, we can start selling items from here. That's how people are doing it. Okay. So there's one more case I can explain is, you can actually create a design for maybe t-shirts. Okay. You say in the landing page, you will say here you will say t-shirt. You're giving a special offer on t-shirt, get 50%. Okay, get 50% discount today. Right? So you put a nice banner here, maybe a small video here. Then you say about the t-shirt, right? What all the things are there? Maybe nice quality or branding. What all you want to discuss? Then here you put a buy now button. Yep, guys, sorry. So here you can say 50% discount on that one t-shirt, right? But when you actually click on buy now button here, right, I can take them to the next page where you have to provide your address, right? Your payment information, then you provide your address, right? While this is happening, you entering your address, here I'll put one more banner saying what? You buy 3 t-shirts today. You buy 3 t-shirts today and you get a maybe this 50%, not 50%, like say 1000 rupees t-shirt, you getting for 500 rupees because 50% discount. But today if you take this offer, you will get 3 t-shirts for 1000 rupees only. Right? So basically first what happened, you tried to get them for 1 t-shirt. Right? But once they get into your promotional offer, you actually upselling extra by increasing another 500 rupees. Right? If this kind of offer comes to you, will you guys be interested or not? If you're looking for 1 t-shirt and ready to spend say somewhere around 600 to 800 rupees, and here this guy is given 50% discount. So it sounds good for you. Once you get into there, now you have an option to get 3 t-shirts on the same quality, same brand, everything, by paying additional 200 rupees extra from your budget. But actually there, right, you guys are able to connect, right, Sriram?
Yes.
Right. Right. So this is how this works. So landing page, how it works is just now I shown you an example, right? Now if I take this website, okay. So can you guys tell me what is the difference in this page and the website?
It came from bloggers.
No. Can you check the page properly and tell me what it is? What difference you are seeing?
Login page should be first.
Login page.
Should be first. Sign out. You have no need to show this 90% scholarship and all.
No, that is a lead magnet, right? That is how they are attracting the student.
Anna?
Yes.
There is no options like home, about, services like that.
Exactly. Perfect. Right? That is the difference, guys. So landing page means we should not let the consumer, right, user of your website, they should not get confused. Right? You just imagine you're looking for getting some item like say biryani. When you walk into that restaurant, they're showing you 20 different items. What will happen? You'll get confused, right? Your decision time, right, taking time, it is actually getting delayed. So we don't know if the customer changes his mind. That's why when a customer looking for particular thing, right, they're showcasing only that here. I'm searching for particular training. At the moment Google, if I Google it, immediately they're taking me to that particular page without showing any other information there. So if I take actually their website, that website has all the pages. Okay, sorry. So if I go to this website, this has all the information. Home page, about, all that information will be there. See here. Now if I come here, there is a lot of information which I don't need, I might not need, right? Right now what I need is so and so course. So here directly it is mentioned and they're showcasing 90%, up to 90% scholarship. This kind of a lead magnet to keep me there, right? And then scholarship details, who can appear for the rest. These are the top headline, top bullet points, about the course, right? So there is nothing much they are discussing about other courses or about other campus, whatever it is. They are not discussing anything here. Simple, what user is looking for, show that, okay, show that lead magnet and get their mobile number. So this is a perfect example of a landing page, right? So we should not make the user to divert their mind, nothing like that. They walked in, let them get into the process and start using it. Aruna, clear? Small screen. Aruna, you want me to increase the font or how it is? Okay, fine. Guys, clear, right? This is a perfect example of a landing.
Sir.
Okay, the landing.
For landing to this page, what did you search? I didn't notice.
I didn't get you. For the landing page?
What did you search there?
Okay.
You type this.
No, okay. I didn't search for a particular landing page. I'm just looking for NWT Training Institute, NEET Training Institute. That's it. Okay. So instead of taking me there to their website, what they created is they created a separate page only for that particular course. Right. Let me see this other website. See, this is a one more landing page. But if you see here, there is a lot of other information is there. See, coding for kids, spoken English, like this, there is a lot of other information. But right now what I'm looking for only is this one. Once the user comes here, you're actually diverting their mind. But in this page, there is nothing like that. I came for this particular course and immediately they are giving me that information. So for me to take a decision, right, it will take less time compared to this one. If there is 10 people are coming to this page, maybe one person is actually going and clicking on this and going away. That is a loss for you, right? Forget about how many are buying it. But because of you having all this information here, there might be few people they'll just go through, browse through, and they'll forget actually about this. Again, they'll go to the other side, because here there is no diversion, no disturbance, right, for them. Directly they'll actually
Yes, sir.
sign up for this and end up buying that course or buying that product. So when you buying it there, that's where we actually step in and say, see, today you're taking this course. If you pay another maybe 2,000 rupees extra, or 10,000 rupees extra, right, you will get a second attempt also free, or you get mock test free, something like that. You will try to upsell there. Okay, so that's how this works. So how we create this landing page? First we need that lead magnet, right? Lead magnet in the sense, you guys tell me now how I can actually attract. For example, maybe a web designer, what things you can give it to them free so that I can come and sign up with you. Any guess?
Hosting charges free for 6 months, like that.
Say again, Anka Babu.
Hosting charges, website hosting charges free for 3 months.
But hosting charges, yes, you can do that, but that is a cost for you, right?
Yes.
Huh. So you should give something which is like viable for you.
You can suggest
We-
GoShot link also.
I didn't get you.
GoShot link is there, like, so GoShot link also.
Yes. So GoShot Link is, since it's our own product, what we can do, we can give a 3 months membership free, right? To get this membership free, once they walk in, then what you will do, you will say, today sir, you take membership for 1 year, I'll give you 50% discount straight away. You're getting 3 months additional plus 1 year membership with a 50% discount today. Like that you can try to upsell. If not, no problem. He taken 3 months time. In these 3 months, we can keep nurturing that client, that lead particularly, right? So it's not that, today you came to me. When I said, I'm giving something free, you came to me saying that, Prakash, okay, fine, I'm ready to learn this. Now, if I keep, enforcing, guys, buy this, if I keep enforcing, what will happen? You guys might think, okay, this is no use for me, so let me drop. Something like that, you can take a decision. But if I keep nurturing, right, that means if I keep educating, keep helping you guys, then you found this helpful. Maybe designing a website will be better for you. So what you will do, if not today, after 1 month or after 2 months, you might end up buying something, right? That's called nurturing the lead. So one is what? You're getting a lead here. Once people gets here, you get that lead. Now this is called what? If this lead is actually bought your product, okay, he gets into customer list. That means I taken the 70% offer from Bindu, I end up buying that course, right, about that book or something. Now I will become a customer for her because I already bought that, right? But if I don't buy it, imagine like this. Now there is a Anka Babu is there. He taken the free book, but he is not taking the paid version, which is a 50 pages book. Now what she can do? It becomes Anka Babu will become what? Cold lead here. He is also lead only, but he becomes a cold lead. Now what she should do? She should nurture this lead now. How? By giving something useful, on a regular basis. Because he has not bought it, she should not leave that user. She should keep giving them some helpful information, right? Some guidance, something like that. Keep asking them. Now what happens? Now Anka Babu will start getting the trust with her, saying that okay, she's actually giving me right information on the right time, right? Maybe he needs some information. If he goes to in the Facebook page or Instagram page, he can go and get some information about customer service. Now he will start getting that rapport with her. Then after nurturing, for 2 months, 3 months, like that. Now next time she promotes something else, that time what will happen? This guy also will become, right now only one customer is there. Later this lead also will become to one more customer here. Right? So this is how this funnel process or this works. For us, main thing is in that AIDA process what we discussed. AIDA. Attract, right? Create interest, right? Then create the desire, right? So attraction, how it happened? By showing something free. Give free, which is possible. Not like Anka Babu is saying, right? Give hosting free. Yes, you can do. If you're getting it free, you can provide free. But if you're paying from pocket, then it becomes a paid kind of a thing, right? So instead of that, create something what you can. About website design, you guys can provide a WordPress course, right? While we're creating this WordPress thing and all, what we do, we can actually create a WordPress free course, maybe 1 hour crash course kind of a thing, and start giving it to people. What will happen? People will start signing up for there. Then you say, see, since you are learning my course on WordPress, I'm giving you 50% discount on the hosting. Then people will end up buying that. Anka Babu, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Right. So what we did, we attracted the customer by something saying that free. Then we given a nice presentation here, where once they come to your page, free, and here you have a video presentation, and here some information, and here asking that get me that free ebook, or get me the free WordPress course, get me the crash course on design, something like that. You have a presentation here. This is where you're creating that interest, right? In that video you will explain the things, saying that okay, this is how it is, this is how things are and all. Then I end up clicking on this and provided my email address and all. Now while providing email address, I have a question here. Now Bindu is giving me that free course or free ebook, right? I put my name, but the email ID I put that wrong intentionally. Why? Because from tomorrow she might keep sending me emails, right? Now I don't want to receive emails. Okay, now I put a fake email ID there. Right? That's a loss for Bindu, right? What she can do now to protect that?
OTP.
Perfect, right? Two-step verification, right? What she can do is, after putting that email address, she is not giving me the link to download it in the next page. Here, she is not giving me that link here directly, where I can download that free ebook. She says, I sent an email confirmation, please click on that to receive my ebook, right? She puts that message here. Or else what will happen? People will start putting a fake email ID, right? You given them the link here itself in the next page. That's all. Whatever the efforts you put to create that ebook, that gone waste, right? So that's the reason what we should do is we use this method to verify whether that email ID is right or wrong. That's why if you see, right, lot of genuine service providers, right, they send one email confirmation to you, whether that is email ID belongs to you or not, first of all. Or else what will happen, most of the people, they use a wrong email ID to just register there. There's no right information or there is nothing actually there. Right, so we have to be careful there. Sriram, yes, so you understood. Guys, అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay. So now in the next page what happens? She mentioned saying that please click on this link to verify it, and there you will get that email. Now here, after that, you will show one more presentation here. Maybe in 5 minutes you will receive my email with the free ebook. Okay, meanwhile please look at this presentation. So here one more video will start playing. Right, here one more video will start playing to promote the next product which is she's planned to sell. Right guys, so these are process, how we can do it. I mean, when I'm talking about creating a this design where you ask them the email address, or you put a video here, How we can do that? And when they put that email address, that email should go to them. Say, hi Prakash, please confirm if this is email is right or wrong. Right? Then next email should come with the free ebook. All this process, how it happens, where we can do it, using what tool we can use it. So there are two methods again. For this entire process, it is already there. I mean, there is a companies who provides this sales funnel process, where they give you a simple software where you have to just put the information what you wanted to put. Right, in this page it will be easy for you to create a landing page where you have to have a lead magnet with you. First of all, lead magnet. For that, what offer you are giving, that offer name, right? Then what you are trying to upsell here, link for that. All this information you should have. So here most of the time what we do is, what we are trying to upsell is affiliate products. So whatever the information you are writing, right? Other day, Sriram was writing about password protection and security, right? Like that, if you are writing what products are there related to that, we can try to upsell those products by giving the affiliate links. So what happens when the moment I see the lead magnet, I clicked on it. Then if I like this upsell, the way you presented the video, the way you given the features and all, if I like that one, right, I will end up buying it. Right? That is a process of, affiliate process. Now there is two options. One is using a software which is actually kind of, on a chargeable basis. You have to pay monthly some charges and all, right? But most of the work is taken care by them. Second option is we can create our own landing page with a, funnel process by our own. How? Using WordPress. Fine, guys. So just go through these methods. Now, what in the previous screen, whatever I said, what is lead magnet? Right, what is lead magnet? This is one important for us. Then email marketing software, then this landing page. These three things you go through, right? Then try to understand now. I want you guys to prepare, please. AIDA, what is that process? This retention though, fine, I can explain if you guys want. But what is this process? I already explained in the morning session, but I would request you guys to go through now also. Okay, maybe 1 hour you guys spend. What is this AIDA process and how we are actually going through this process? Right. So before going to the live practice on WordPress, so tomorrow morning we'll practice on the WordPress, how to create that landing page basically. Okay. What all the components are there, how we actually design it, and I want you guys to practice it. So before that, I want to know what is lead magnet, what we can provide, what you guys can give me now. That you have to decide now. Okay. Any questions, guys, now?
No, Prakash.
You are clear about this, right, Sriram?
Yes, I'm clear.
Yeah. So, second thing is, Gayatri, can you speak to me or how it is? Okay.
Yes, Anna, yes, I can able to speak to you because my husband is in a call, so I was beside my husband, so
I understand.
I was in a meeting.
Okay, so you didn't understand the process?
Yes, yes, I understand the process.
Okay, I thought you said no because you didn't understand. Fine, right?
No doubts you told, right? So I said no.
Okay, good. So what I'm saying, Sriram, is you asked the question, right, where this will be presented. So we'll be creating a landing pages on our domain. So you'll be having a domain. Today you're trying to promote a product called maybe hosting, right? So what we do, we actually go to our domain, which is something like this, slash, say hosting offer. Right? So when you go here, what happens, people will actually look at this URL. I mean, Google will look at this URL and present it to the people who is looking for hosting. And your landing page also has that information, right? About hosting you're talking about there. So the moment people see that page, which will explain neatly, 50% discount or some, maybe free. You're giving them something free in a premium level. Right? So we can actually buy the license of, certain themes, and we can start offering them. So one license you can buy it, but it is actually, you can actually share with your customers. That's how the licensing works. So maybe something like that you can offer few things to people. Right? Or else you say 50% host discount on the hosting, and you explain about in a good presentation how that hosting works. So Google, what did they do? When you have a better content in your landing page and your address bar also matches with that particular keywords, Google will start showing this offer, right? So this Miles Web, Grab. So when I'm searching for so if you've written a nice blog and you keep posting on regular basis, that is not the one. Yes. See, now this website called this website. So they written 10 best web hosting. So this is basically blog actually. See here what they're doing. They're connecting to different hosting offers. These all are affiliate links. Right. Similarly, what we do is we will create a landing page. So once you understand this lead magnet and things, right, like what all the things we can offer it as a lead magnet. What is email marketing software, how it works. Okay, and what is landing page? So you guys try to understand from your own way now. So tomorrow when we practicing in the morning session, you'll be able to understand how it works, all that things. Fine, guys. So any questions?
As of now, no questions.
Done. Fine. So go ahead now. Go and go through this information, what it is. What are the softwares available to create this landing page, if not WordPress, right? Maybe something like that we can discuss in the morning session.
Okay, thank you, Anna. Thank you so much.
Done. So I'll be back in the morning. It's already 8, so you guys have half an hour, plus I would request take another half an hour and try to go through this information. If you have any questions, please text me. But tomorrow morning in that practice I'll be showing you how to create a landing page from the scratch, right? So Gayatri pointed out, right, when I shown one example, she said there is no navigation menu, right? So when you're creating a page, all the pages will come with a navigation menu. So how we remove that? So something like that and all, small things will be there, but we practice it live. Fine.